Yo, what's good everybody, just here to Reaper here. So I got two things to unbox in this video. So the first thing is this right here. This is the Anker Power Port 3. It is a 65 watt power brick to charge your smartphone, tablet, etc. And then for the cable, I have an Insignia USB Type-C to Lightning. And yeah, 10 foot. Can't really beat it, honestly. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this first and see. Let's go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and grab my knife and see what it looks like as I'm unboxing it. Okay, because just the way it looks is not really going to tell you much. You definitely have to feel it, see if it's quality or not. Alright, packaging seems pretty good. Alright, and here we go. Alright, I gotta look at it now. You guys get to look at it, so here it is. Yep. It's crazy how far technology has actually come. The fact that they can put 65 watts in a little bitty ass brick like this. Look at that. That is really fucking nice. I love that. I love that a lot. Alright. So I'm going to go ahead and set this up here and go ahead and open this. Because can't use this without this. Well, I could use USB Type-A, but what the fuck is the point? I got this cable because I like using USB Type-C to Lightning because it charges my phone a lot faster. So, with that being said, let's go ahead and open this up. Alright. That is a beefy looking cable here. Alright. So we got a nice braid. There you go, there's USB-C, and then your Lightning on the other end. Go ahead and untwist it. Alright. Go ahead and put this stuff back in. I'm gonna do this. Alright. Oh, wrong one. Hang on. Oh yeah, that's right. This one didn't come with a clipper. It was just in a bag. And I do like to keep my boxes just in case if something happens within the return days. You take it back. So yeah, that's definitely one thing that you really want to keep track of is your boxes. Plus, I like to keep boxes because, well, it's something I can store my shit in, right? If I'm not using it, it can go into the box. Alright. So we'll go ahead and set this right here. And then we go ahead and put this in. Like that. Alright, let's see. Let's like this. Go. And yeah, so 10-foot cable, that is going to be plenty, but like I said, we'll go ahead and take a look at the cable here. It is very robust. I mean, even down to this portion right here, the strain leaf or whatever you want to call it. It's nice and rigid, and yeah. This feels like a very high quality cable, if I do say so myself. And I've used tons of these, and I've used all types of cables from USB-A to Lightning, from USB-C to Lightning, and I'm going to tell you right now, this feels really nice in the hands. And obviously you can tell the reason why I went with black is because it's the closest thing I could get that matches, so yeah. And I'm going to tell you right now, this is a beefy little power brick or power adapter, whatever you want to call it, charger. It's got some weight to it. It really does. So, yeah. And it feels like it's possibly aluminum. Let's see. Yeah, I think that's actually, that might be like a like an anodized aluminum. So yeah, I know the end right here is metal, but it's got some weight to it. And yeah, as you guys know, I love Anker products. I mean, that's what I've been using right now to charge my phone anyways, because I lost my other, my bigger brick, which this one, I believe, actually has more power than the platinum one I was using. So yeah, plus I get 2 extra USB-Cs because I use USB-C more than really anything else. And then this right here, this can go to, like, you know, say a flashlight battery or a flashlight or something like that. So yeah, I will update you guys in a week on what I think of this charger. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed the video, leave a like down below. Don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell to be alerted when I upload videos. I'm your host, Louisiana Reaper, Cajun Reaper, whatever you want to call me, and I am signing out. Peace.